I want to talk about charts and things you can use as charts to practice Bates' method. So the standard chart is like an eye test chart at an optician's. Usually black letters on white, sometimes you get white on black as well. And the idea with that is that you just read it. And you try to read it in a relaxed way and not force the focus. And you start from your best distance, read what you can, close your eyes, rest. While your eyes are closed, you can imagine what the letters look like or what they would look like if they were clear, but always in a very relaxed way and not trying to make anything happen. So that's the standard chart. Next to it, I have a new one I recently bought, which is actually a poster. So each little rectangle has a different slogan in it. Get rich or die trying. Don't worry, be happy. So some of them are fun, some of them are a bit strange. Keep calm and drink on. And the way this is laid out makes it very easy to do something which is often called edging. You find something that has an edge. Printed rectangles have edges, obviously, like this. And you follow with your attention along the edge. And the joy of this is that you can choose to go up, down, along and back. You do this quite slowly actually. So for example, here's my finger moving up. Follow my finger with your attention. And as you're following my finger, you may be able to notice that the chart behind my finger moves in the opposite direction. That's something to notice. Another thing is just to see the white. Think about the white, don't think about the patterns, don't think about reading the words. And just remember to breathe and be really relaxed and keep moving your attention. This one is a map of the London Underground, the subway system, and it consists of a network of coloured lines showing the railway lines. And this is fun because you can imagine you're going on a journey. So you can use a finger or a pointer, or you can just imagine and follow with your attention along one line till you come to a station, then maybe change trains to another station. And so you can travel all over the map. And it's the same idea as with the edging on the other map. You're following, your attention is constantly moving, scanning across the chart. And it's got something to follow, so there's something ahead to look towards and move towards. And behind there's the where you were looking before, streaming away. And at the same time, you're being aware of everything on the map because you're thinking, where shall I go next? I'm going up here now. What if I want to get to there? Oh, I'll go along here. So you're broadening out your awareness and you're not homing in that dreadful, short-sighted, myopic way on one little point and beginning to strain and lose the bigger picture. This one is one of those folding street maps with a map in the middle and then lots of adverts around the edge. And this is also really good because you can do everything on this. You can follow the white lines of the roads on the street map, or you can follow the white borders around the edges of these adverts. You can also, and this works even when you're not focusing, I mean the idea is that you're working with charts a little bit out of true focus and encouraging the focus to come by taking an interest and by following the movement and the detail. Here it is out of focus, as it would be if you were short-sighted and you were standing a certain distance from it. You can still work with something like this that's out of focus. In fact, it's really good if it is, because that stops you from latching onto the idea that it must be in focus. And you can use other aspects of what you see to get your interest and enhance your attention and your awareness. You can think, how many patches of the colour red can I see? Like there's here, 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 little ones on the map. You can pick any colour you like and just look for patches of that colour. They don't have to be in focus for you to be able to make them out. And the simple act of directing your attention towards a specific thing like that engages your visual process and encourages the focus to come back.